statements are true. And if your aim is liberty and democracy, then you must teach people the art of being free and of governing themselves. So who gave this statement? Again, very theoretical question. So this, unless you have understood, unless you have read uh, who are they, what are they. So I think this is the time you can read about Bertrand Russell, then Huxley, then Fitch and the David Held. So this could be useful, like just read 4 to 5 points about what are they, who are they. So this will help you understand the future, if suppose the option comes in the next exam. So that can help you understand what are their specializations and what theory they propounded. Now, which of the following countries which of the following constitutes the core principles of utilitarianism? So again, second question in a row of utilitarianism. So concept of utility, greatest good of greatest number, laissez-faire, the maximum happiness of maximum number of people. So option D, A, B, D, because greatest good of the greatest of, so sorry, the laissez-faire is the liberalism. It is not utilitarianism. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So here the basic mistake that has to be avoided. Who among the following defines citizen as a full and equal membership in political community? Again, this we have read in citizenship chapter, T.H. Marshall. And also you can read about Will Kimlicka about what do we call multiculturalism. So please go through, and Iris Young, then Derek Heater also, please go through who are they and what theories they propounded. Then who among the following advocates the entitlement theory of justice? Now the concept of justice. So if justice comes, we have read Sandel, Nozick and Walzer, all are libertarians. So here you can get confused and mark Kant as an answer. But the answer is Robert Nozick is the answer, entitlement theory of justice. This we have read through chapters on equality, justice and liberty. Then John Rawls is who? John Rawls is social contractarian. So John Rawls is a social contractarian. He's not a Marxist. Here you can rule out he's not a Marxist, he's not a perfectionist, because he does not call for the society to be perfect enough. And also he's not a utilitarian because he shifted uh, his theory of justice of entitlement. So he's not a utilitarian. So that also, so ruling out is social contractarian. So that is only the near answer. So like that you can eliminate. Now the word ideology was coined by D. Tracy. This you can find it in O.P. Gaba book. So this is also nothing but and also read about Fukuyama, this and D. Campbell and Karl Marx. Karl Marx chapter is there, but Fukuyama you read. It's on I forgot what's that word, modernization. So please read about Fukuyama and his book. And D. Tracy is word ideology coined by D. Tracy. This is a direct question. You can see it in the ideology chapter in O.P. Gaba. I've been reading this since a year ago, and also the same question I've been asked some years ago. And author of Nicomachean Ethics, yes, this also we have discussed in the lecture. So Nicomachean Ethics is by Aristotle. Also now it's time to read about Plato's books, Socrates' books and Hobbes' books. Now who among the following use the concept of oceanic circle? This also we have read. Now the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. And also read about Jayaprakash Narayan and the movements that Jayaprakash Narayan have participated. This is very important. So they did not ask, now they went only for the Nehru. They could ask Jayaprakash Narayan the next time. So the work Who Were Shudras is associated with who? You might get confused it to be Periyar or Gandhi or Dewey, but it's Ambedkar. So also read Periyar's books and John Dewey. Who is he? Who did he inspire? And Mahatma Gandhi's books and articles. Now the term original position is associated with, very easy. If you have read the lecture, then you might have understood, John Rawls. So here read about Brian Berry and Susan Muller Oken, the book they have written, and the Michael Walzer Libertarian, also the book. Book they have written. So please also write in the lecture now currently. Pause the lecture now. Pause the video go on internet and Google about who is Brian Berry. So write 5 to 4 lines. And if there are any famous books, yeah, so write those 1 to 3 books. And now who is Susan Muller Okin? So write uh, about them 4 to 5 lines and the books by them. Now Michael Walzer, who is he? So 5 to 4 lines, then also books by them. So in a way you can understand, like in suppose 50 questions will help you fetch 15 to 4 all the options, or 200 topics, or near to 100 150 topics you can learn. Now Leviathan, again an easy one, it's by Hobbes. And also now read the Locke books, J.S. Mill books, and Rousseau books.